How to log out Yahoo Mail from all other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can log out of all devices or all other devices on Yahoo Mail. Now the process is quite simple, so let me guide you through. Simply head into your browser and here on the search bar search in for mail.yahoo.com and you'll be headed directly into Yahoo Mail. Now once on Yahoo Mail, what you want to do is log into your account and you'll get an interface like this. As you can see at the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the profile username. Here at the top right you can see my profile username. Simply click on it, and once you click on it you'll find your email address here, your name, and below it your email address, and below email address you'll find the option account info. As you hover around your account info option there, it'll turn blue. Simply click on it, account info, and it'll take you to another page here. Now here you can see I'm headed into account info. What you want to do is head into the recent activity option at the left hand side of the screen and then scroll all the way down below. Now here you'll find review your connected devices and apps option, and you can see view all connected devices option. Simply click on view all connected devices, and if you scroll down below you'll see all your connected devices. Now currently here I'm already only connected to this device here. You can see Chrome, Windows. Now if you have any other devices connected, you'll find it here, and beside it you'll find the sign out option. Simply instead of this detail option that you can see here, you'll find the other device name here, and you'll find the sign out option at the right hand side, and all you have to do is simply click on sign out and you can sign out particularly from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.